to Cricket Track Spoken Indian English. This is Mano Mera. We are going to talk about how to talk in English without partner. Let us get started. टोटल 25 क्वेश्चन के सवालों के जवाब आप ही देंगे, मैं किसी भी क्वेश्चन का जवाब नहीं दूंगा। अगर आप लगातार 30 दिन तक के क्वेश्चन आंसर की प्रैक्टिस करते हैं तो आप आराम से इंग्लिश बोल सकते हैं। इट्स माय गारंटी। पूरा वीडियो देखिए, लास्ट तक देखिए और पूरे 25 क्वेश्चन के जवाब दीजिए। अगर आपके क्वेश्चन गलत है तो अपने क्वेश्चन का आंसर चेक कीजिए। लेट अस गेट स्टार्टेड। आपको हर क्वेश्चन के जवाब के लिए मिलेंगे 15 सेकेंड्स। 15 सेकेंड में क्वेश्चन के जवाब दीजिए। लेट अस गेट स्टार्टेड नाउ। वेयर आर यू फ्रॉम? वेयर आर यू फ्रॉम? आप कहां से हैं? आंसर इट इन 15 सेकेंड्स। Where do you live? Where do you live? आप कहां रहते हैं? Where do you live? आप कहां रहते हैं? Answer it in 15 seconds. Where is your school? Where is your school? आपका स्कूल कहां है? Answer it in 15 seconds. Where are you going? Where are you going? आप कहां जा रहे हैं? Where are you going? आप कहां जा रहे हैं? Answer it in 15 seconds. Where did you go? Where did you go? आप कहां गए थे? Answer it in 15 seconds. Now check your answer with the help of these answers. You can check your answer with the help of these answers. You can check your answers. Okay? You can check. Where is Kunal? Where is Kunal? Kunal कहाँ है? Answer it in 15 seconds. Where were you yesterday? Where were you yesterday? कल तुम कहाँ थे? Answer it in 15 seconds. Where is Manav? Where is Manav? Manav कहाँ है? Answer it in 15 seconds. Where were you born? Where were you born? आपका जन्म कहाँ हुआ था? Answer it in 15 seconds. आर चिल्ड्रन? वेयर आर चिल्ड्रन? बच्चे कहां है? आंसर इट इन 15 seconds. Now check your answer. Now check your answer with the help of these answers. आप अपने आंसर को चेक कर सकते हैं इन जवाबों के साथ. Now check your answer. Where will you stay tomorrow? Where will you stay tomorrow? तुम कल कहां ठहरोगे? Answer it in 15 seconds. Where do you work? Where do you work? आप कहां काम करते हैं? Where do you work? Answer it in 15 seconds. Where do you study? Where do you study? आप कहां पढ़ते हैं? Answer it in 15 seconds. Where do you come from originally? Where do you come from originally? आप मूलत कहां से आए हैं? Answer it in 15 seconds. Where is my mobile? Where is my mobile? मेरा मोबाइल कहां है? Answer it in 15 seconds. We will stay now. Check your answer with the help of these answers. Now check your answers with the help of these answers. You can check now. Where can I get a taxi? Where can I get a taxi? मुझे टैक्सी कहां मिल सकती है? Answer at in 15 seconds. Where do you live? Where do you live? आप कहां रहते हैं? Answer it in 15 seconds. Where are my books? Where are my books? मेरी किताबें कहां हैं? Answer it in 15 seconds. Where did Kunal leave his shoes? Where did Kunal leave his shoes? कुणाल ने अपने जूते कहां छोड़े? Answer it in 15 seconds. Where should we stay? Where should we stay? हमें कहाँ ठहरना चाहिए? Answer it in 15 seconds. Now check your answer with the help of these answers. Now check your answers with the help of these answers. You can check now. Where did you buy this shirt? Where did you buy this shirt? आपने यह शर्ट कहाँ से खरीदी? Answer it in 15 seconds. Where can we meet today? Where can we meet today? आज हम कहाँ मिल सकते हैं? Answer it in 15 seconds. Where did you grow up? Where did you grow up? आप कहाँ पले बड़े? Answer it in 15 seconds. Where does your father work? Where does your father work? आपके पिता कहाँ काम करते हैं? Answer it in 15 seconds. Where do you go for exercise? Where do you go for exercise? आप व्यायाम के लिए कहाँ जाते हैं? Answer it in 15 seconds. Now check your answers with the help of these answers. Now you can check your answers with the help of these answers. If you like this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.